Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing something totally different. You're about to watch a video that is actually not me, but one of my girlfriends that's making a guest appearance on my channel. And she did a fabulous job. I hope you find this as heartwarming and funny and all of those things as much as I did, because I had a good laugh. My girlfriend was such a good sport to do this for me. And I will take it away and let you take a look at Miss Betsy. I hope you enjoy.
Here we are. I'm the guest appearance on Susan Anthony's YouTube channel, and been feeling under the weather all day, thinking I need some color. The only problem is I've never put makeup on before, so we'll have to see what happens. Probably can only help. So anyway, I'm going to use some of this stuff right here, because I've watched the channel a couple times and I've kind of figure out what I need to do. So I'm going to put on some of this stuff, Wet n Wild Gagliama Contouring Palette Contour Caramel Toffee. I mean, it doesn't really smell. So I'm not sure what color I do. I've seen her do this before too, so I got that part, and I'm thinking I want something darker, so yeah. Not sure what this is. This is Wet n Wild too. It's so used, it's all worn off, so it must be good. So thinking I ought to try some of that. This one smells a little better. Got some dog hair in there. Okay. Next, I think I need to do some stuff with my eyes. So I'll get some of this paddle pusher stuff here. We got lots of colors to choose from. Oh, wait. First, I think we need to use this Age Rewind. It's French. I can't say what all it says, but I'm thinking I have some dark circles. Oh my. Not sure what that does. Voila. Wow. I look better already. I got a little booger in there though, I think. Sorry about that, folks. Then we got some, let's see here. Oh, some colors for the eyes. Not sure what I'm going to wear tonight, but Not sure what these, some say eyelids, so I'm going to put the eyelid one on the eyelid. I'm going to use purple. I've seen the technique is spin it around like this, so I'm going to not sure. You know, I'm not much of a makeup artist, but I do get that it's an individual expression, so I'm going to go ahead and do a different color on another eye. This one's supposed to be for a crease, and an eyelid is much like a crease. It kind of tickles the eyeball. That's so nice. I think I'm going to put it on the other one. Next, let's see what this is. Mega Lash. I've always been kind of disappointed in my lashes. And this is something that I don't know how to do, so imagine. I've seen people do this. They do it. It's not as easy as it looks. Whoops. Dang it. Well, it's alright. I can make it into a teardrop like... There's dog hair on here. Why? Maybe I need to dip it again. Stop that. It's beautiful. I really like this. What brand is this? Doesn't smell as good as Black Sharpie, but this is Mega Length. It's pretty good stuff. Not sure what brow style. Now, somehow I need to figure out how to do the bottoms of the lashes because they're even smaller. They're actually there. I need to magnify. Yeah. I think I have some here. Ooh. Hurts. I think we'll move on to the eyebrows now. It's kind of freakish, especially now that I'm crying. It hurts to get it in your eye. Alright, let's try this. Not sure what this does. It's not doing anything, just combing it. Kind of feels good though. I don't ever spend this much time. Comb the dogs. I don't even comb my hair on any day of the week. I don't know. You need to put something in it. Need to put some, not sure what this is. Maybe we Seems like there ought to be something more for the eyes. Maybe that's it. The brows, I mean. Ah, that's it. That's it. One thing I learned recently is if you don't take thyroid medicine when you're got hypothyroidism, that the outer third of your hair is lost, is a symptom. I don't really have much eyebrows normally. This really accentuates my eyes though. Pretty nice. I think I need some more color on my cheeks. I don't know. If I had a fever, I'd probably look better. We're gonna go with this. Go with this little brush. It's not much like healthy, like. I'm gonna go with this. It says eyelids. Well, I'm gonna have to blow my nose, and what happens then? Do you wipe off the makeup, I wonder? Let me try this on the eyelids. This one's got a really nice contoured little image there. I wonder if when you put this on, does it get messed up? Oh, shoot. I meant that to be on my eyes, didn't I? What's this thing? This, I don't want to use it. I'm going to try this. I don't think I've done such a hot job. And I'm not sure what else to do. Too bad this isn't live. I could ask the audience. Anyway, hopefully my color comes back, and I'll try again when I feel better. Thanks for watching.